In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do prompt engineering for better images in OpenArt. We'll move through the interface together and I'll show you how to get clearer, more consistent results without adding any extra steps. Start on the OpenArt homepage and hover your mouse over the image section. This reveals the creation options so you can jump right into making visuals. Click Create Image to open the workspace where all the prompt engineering happens. At the top of the creation page, click Switch to choose the model or character you want to work with. Different models lean toward different aesthetics and levels of detail, so pick one that suits your goal. Models like Nano Banana or Flux are great starting points if you want balanced, versatile outputs, but feel free to choose any model that matches your vision. Next, type the text prompt you want to generate. Think in terms of ingredients. Clearly name the subject, describe the scene or setting, mention the style or medium, and add any lighting or mood cues. For example, you might say, portrait of a traveler at sunset, soft rim lighting, cinematic, shallow depth of field. Specific, concrete descriptors usually beat long, vague paragraphs. Click Auto Enhance to let OpenArt polish the language. This tool tightens phrasing, so your idea stays intact while becoming easier for the model to interpret. Then select Customize Prompt, so you can keep tailoring exactly how your description is structured. Choose a color scheme and style to guide the palette and overall vibe. This is an efficient way to lock in a consistent look without overloading your text prompt. If your concept depends on a certain era, medium, or technique, selecting it here helps the model hit that direction reliably. Click Prompt Enhancer. This feature rewrites your prompt to be more descriptive, clearer, and aligned with what the model expects. It's like translating your creative intent into model-friendly language. Wait for the enhanced prompt to appear, then modify or tweak it. Keep what works, remove anything off target, and add must-have details. Short additions like backlit, wide angle, or no text overlays can make a big difference in the final composition. Adjust the number of images you want to generate to control variety. More images mean more options to compare. Then change the output size to match where the image will be used. Square is versatile, while portrait and landscape can better fit posters, thumbnails, or banners. When you're ready, click Create and let OpenArt do its work. Give it a moment to process, then wait for the results to appear. With these steps, you'll turn simple ideas into strong, consistent images by guiding the model with clear, well-structured prompts.